Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to implement the Kirchhoffs Voltage Law or KVL within the circuit wizard. So we are going to make a simple circuit through which we will prove that either KVL is our circuit used to follow the KVL or not. Obviously KVL is a law. So every circuit is going to follow this law. So let's start our simulation. First we will go for our power supply, that is battery. On right hand side you can see this gallery option and you can go and take power supply. After this power supply we need to take some resistors. So we can take 3 resistors. Okay, yeah. Okay, after we have taken the 3 resistors we need to take voltmeter as well. Okay, now what's the statement of KVL is? It states that sum of all the voltages that are rises within a circuit must be equal to the sum of all the voltages drop. Simply, all the rise in voltage must be dropped within the circuit. Okay, so now rotate them out, and this one also rotate this resistor and this resistor as well. Okay, now we need to connect. Okay, now what about these what's called as the voltmeters? We have to connect them in such a way that they must be okay. So all the voltmeter must be connected in parallel so that we can measure the voltages. And if you want to measure the current, then place ammeter in series. But if you want to measure the voltage across any component, then you have to connect them like this. That is the parallel connection. Okay, so we can make it a little bit like this, so that okay, now we will see that either here you can see that as we know that resistors used to drop the voltage and battery used to rise the voltage within the circuit. So first resistor used to drop 3 volts, second also 3 volt, and third also 3 volt. Can we change their resistance? Yes, we can. Okay, now we will see that here you can see that now we have changed the R3's value to the 2K. Now it used to drop 4.5 volt, and 1K R1 and 1K R2 just dropped 2.25. If we used to if we used to add this 2.25 and 2.25, it gives us 4.5, and 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9 volt. So it simply proves that the sum of the voltage rises by the battery within the circuit must be dropped by the elements within the same circuit. So hopefully you can now simulate it in your circuit wizard simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.